guys, welcome to my Minecraft Be Creative. And yeah guys, I've been doing some stuff, well you were not here and include explosions. Yeah, and I also built a park, a very small park here. See, park. Now we will build a farm, and I also built a small roller coaster village. Yeah. So let's build a farm. It's like first build a barn, and then next episode, the we're going to put animals in the barn in the next episode. So yeah, red, white, red. Okay, let's like put it reversed here. Red. Come on, okay. Okay, so we're about to finish our farm. Wait, did I tell you that this was Minecraft Be Creative? Okay, let me just do it again. Hello guys, welcome to Minecraft Be Creative. We're building a barn. Like, I don't know if I did it again. No. Okay. Oops. There. Okay. It's like, oh my goodness. Come on. Whatever. There. Okay, so let's put this. Oh my goodness, the lag. Let's put it there. Okay. Okay. Okay, we built the barn. Wait. Not fully. We didn't fully finish it. Oh my goodness. No, I don't want it. If you recognize, we're in a flat world, guys. So, no. You saw my last episode. Okay. So that's our weird barn. Okay, now let's build a farm. Oh my goodness, no, I want a chest, bro. Like, put a back door. There. Then here. Here. Okay, now time to build the farm. We just need some water. See. Go here. Oh my goodness, no. Like, okay. Nap. Okay. First block. There. bone meal it, bone meal it, bone meal it, bone meal it. Here, farm is looking good now. Yeah, okay, so that's part of our farm. Oh no, we forgot one more space. No, and okay, there, seeds. Go meal it, go meal it, bro. Okay, that's our farm done. So I don't know what you can do now. It's like just spawn these animals now. Sheep, chicken, cow, pig. What else? No, I don't know. Got pig. A wolf. Ooh, a mushroom. Yep. Okay. So first hero, then we get the mushroom back. Door. Okay, let us see. Mushroom. No, wait, where's the mushroom? Okay, here it is. Our mushroom is here. Mushroom, sheep, chicken, cow. Let's put more chickens. Chicken, pig. Let's like get the pig here. Piggy. Wait, can I? Nope. Wait. I'm making a baby, guys. The baby pig has spawned. Let's see, cows. Okay. Oh my goodness, what happened here? It's like, just replace it in. Let's put glowstone for a while here. There, glowstone, and that's a barn. Our barn is finished. The barn is so finished, guys. And since our barn is finished, you know what that means also. Our episode. So yeah, guys. Bye.